Alright guys, so in this episode, just going to be doing a lot of little things. Just discovered that this bracket here is actually the wrong bracket for EJ205. This is the one I ordered from my VIN number, and I've never had that tab, so it's never been mounted properly. That's probably why it... no, maybe not, but yeah, never had that. Alright, so we'll be changing that around, mounting that properly. Also, I haven't been able to find a left hand side one because mine rubbed through. When I had the intercooler part coming up here, it was just touching and it was rubbing through. Yeah, we'll do that. Recently just swapped over these fittings on the back here too, back to the original. So, and I moved the oil feed out of the way, so I'll have to mount the exhaust on and see where the GT35 is going to sit on the twisted location, so we can work out where everything's going to go. And I plugged up this head here, so no more cylinder 4 bypass. Looks like we've got a little bit of leakage there. Might see if I can get another one of these. Yeah, to get the timing kit, and need to change over the power steering line back to the original one. We are having an issue. I'm not sure if it's the rack or not, but we'll see. And I want to change this intercooler piping up because it's probably rubbing and probably getting a boost leak, a major boost leak. So we might go forward facing, not too sure, but eventually I do want to go to a water to air intercooler, which sits in the stock location up the top here. It's a very short run. That's the ultimate goal, just go to a water to air. Then I could add like an ice box and all that stuff. Need to sort out this corner here. I'm not happy, and I need to change this hose over. All I did was actually add, so it should be okay, I think. Anyways, let's get into it. Alright. Just don't want to take the knuckles out. I can't even remember what this brand of this one is. Anyways, got 3 bolts here. I need to find my 12mm. Here's a 12mm. So I'm pretty sure I stuffed up the thread on the small idler pulley and maybe even on the tensioner. Can't remember. This is a while ago. Probably the small pulley more than anything. And yeah, I wasn't too fussed because it is a replaceable part. That's what I'm doing now. The problem is I didn't get the gasket that goes with it. Maybe I can pull it out of this one. Maybe it's already in it. Nope. It sticks on. Damn it. Oh well. No gasket for you. Can't believe I never had that. Find a bolt for it now. I'm just going to quickly... No, I can't. It's alright. All good. I'll come back and talk them. My phone's in my son's bedroom, putting him to sleep. I'll find a bolt for that. Alright, I haven't looked at anything, but I'm guessing this is the bolt that's needed. So it sits on the outside, and there's a little countersunk bit for there. It looks like it's perfect fit for it. Which it's not. It doesn't go in there. Where's the tin? See if it does. It does actually. That is perfect. I think that one had a gasket on it. Oh well, that's tight now. That's new, that's new, that's new. That's not new, that's original. Alright. Well, I've got these two cams timed. I haven't done the crank. And these are under tension when they're timed, so when the belt's getting done. Alright, I might go see if I can order a belt. Alright guys, just been playing around with putting the turbo on, and yeah, that looks good. There's the adapter, put the out pipe on there, adapter, wastegate. Just clock the compressor housing. I need to clock the cartridge there. So we've got the oil coming up this way, oil drains down this way. The oil drain from there down to there. Should be easy enough to work out. I got the water out up to the IAG over there. That should be fine. We have the water here down to here, there to there. Now we got the oil feed, which when it's rotated around should be just fine. Need a different fitting on there, which I've got obviously, but yeah, that should be good. This is quite a bit of an angle, so that actually might be good to keep that. So it looks like it's going to come down. So yeah, nice, looking spicy. Just eventually need a better turbo. Alright guys, I'm going to finish this episode up here. I'm pretty much just waiting for parts. So I'm going to be playing around in the engine bay next episode, cleaning up this area, putting the original power steering line on. Hopefully we don't lose too much fluid. And yeah, just a general clean up, taking this cylinder 4 bypass out and rotating the turbo properly. Also work out the drainage and the water and everything like that, so it should be easier. I'm just going to keep the intake manifold like this because eventually I would like to go to a water to air, which ends up being up here anyway. So we'll keep that there. That means we won't have to change anything on the front side. I probably might need a new power steering pump. It might be leaking. I'm not 100% sure. It could be just I've been changing the fittings over and it's been leaking out into this part of the engine. So yeah, waiting for parts. We should be able to get it back together and back in. So I'll probably leave this intercooler pipe there, or I'll route it up this way. I'm going to change this whole area here, so there probably won't be the catch can in that area. We'll probably put the electronics there, because yeah, I need to put the washer bottle back. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode. Bit of a short one, but yeah, pretty much just waiting for parts. I'm going to be doing a little bit more on the Skyline, so next episode we'll do Skyline stuff. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.